Hello, and thank you for joining this quick video on how to edit user email notification preferences in Pardot. In this video, we're going to learn how a Pardot administrator can create and update email notification preferences for users, as well as how users can update email notification preferences for themselves. If you're a Pardot administrator, email notification preferences can be set when creating a new user. To create a new user, go to Admin, select User Management, select User, and then click Add User. Email notification preferences will be at the bottom of the User Creation panel, with some suggested preferences selected by default. Update the ones you want and click Create User when you filled in the necessary user information. Any combination of the existing choices is permitted. If you wish to update the preferences of an existing user, go to Admin, then select User Management, select User, and choose the user you wish to edit. From there, click Edit Preferences in the top right-hand corner and make the desired edits and save the prospect. Pardot users of any role can also edit their own preferences by navigating to the gear icon in the top right-hand corner and selecting Settings from the drop-down. Then click on My Profile, click Edit My User Preferences, change the notification as desired, and save the user preferences. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please visit the Salesforce Help portal where you can find great resources including communities, documentation, trails, or you can contact support. Happy trailblazing!